I have tried Shopify dropshipping using literally only TikTok and IG Reels. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. I'll show you the product, the videos that went viral, the actual store, but then I'd also show you the mistakes I made along the way and how you can fix them. And then lastly, obviously, I'll show you the profit and the revenue. And just so you know, the results in this video, like they're actually super realistic, bro. So if you follow what I actually did here, like step by step, and you do it for a different product, like bro, I can personally guarantee you'll get the same exact results. Okay, like maybe not the same exact results, but like results that are similar, maybe even better. Because again, like it's super realistic. But obviously, it's only gonna happen if you're not super duper lazy, right? But anyway, let's start. So a few days ago, I made this goal that I wanted to hit a certain number of profit per month using only dropshipping. So what I did was I wrote down this goal and like obviously present tense because that's what everyone says. And after writing down the goal, I did what every other person would normally do. So I just went on my phone and started scrolling on TikTok. But then all of a sudden, while I was scrolling, this video showed up on my feed, and I was just thinking, I'm like, this is probably God's way of showing me like a product to use, because I literally just wrote down a goal that I have to do. So God was like, Habibi, you just wrote down something, so go like actually implement it. So the video is for this product. And at first I'm like, damn, this video has like 50 million views. So the person who's running this, they're probably making a lot of money. And the product was the posture corrector. And in my head, I was thinking, I'm like, okay, usually posture correctors, they do very good, whatever platform you use, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, it always does good. So I'm like, okay, this is probably like literally God's way of telling me, go try this product. So I went to AliExpress, I wanted to search up the product to see what the cost was, and apparently it only costed $20. So I'm like, okay, that's not bad, because with TikTok organic, if I price it at $40, I'm making $20 profit, and 50% margin is usually good for TikTok organic, because like you're not spending any money on ads. So I'm like, okay, that's pretty good. And I also saw the competitor that was getting the 50 million views at the beginning, they priced it at $40 too. So I'm like, okay, this is very good. And then I went on Amazon and I searched up the product, and I was like, damn, they're pricing it at $40 too. And some listings, they priced it higher than the actual competitor that I found on TikTok. So I'm like, what the heck? And in my head I was like, maybe this is because it's a new product, so like the prices are a bit off. But anyway, I found a listing that can deliver it to Canada with like prime shipping, so I ordered it. But what's funny is the listing literally had 0 reviews. So I'm like, what the heck? But I got the product in 3 days, and like right now is time to make content with it. So I told my dad to help me, because I thought if TikTok people, they see someone who's like a bit in the older demographic and they're using this product, they would trust it a bit more, and it's like a bit different on TikTok. So my dad, I convinced him and he was finally convinced. So I told him to make this video right here, that I think I have it on the screen, but he told me not to show his whole body, so his whole body is just blurred. But then after I posted the video, apparently I was wrong. Like, it didn't get that many views. And I'm like, okay, I gotta try something new now. So I made a video with my brother in it using the product, and I made a video with myself in it using the product. But also, while I was posting these videos on TikTok, I was also posting them on IG Reels, because I'm like, why not? Like, it might actually perform better on IG Reels. And the crazy thing is that it actually did perform better on IG Reels. So what actually annoyed me is that the videos that had my brother in it, they were doing a lot better than the videos with me in it. But I'm like, whatever, as long as something is working. So $200. So I made this video here with my brother in it, and it got 5 million views, which is like not that bad. And then I made another video that got 1.5 million views, which is not that bad. And I also posted all the videos from TikTok on IG Reels, but most of them on IG Reels were getting like hundreds and thousands of views. And on TikTok, they weren't getting that many views. Only like 2 got the million view count. So I think this is why when you're doing TikTok organic, also do IG Reels, because you don't know which one's gonna do better. And what's funny though too, bro, is that most of my sales actually came from IG. So it's like, if I didn't actually try IG, I would have thought this product was like a complete failure. Now, as for the website, I had to make a website that was optimized for conversions, right? But I had to make it fast. I didn't want to do this thing slow. I just wanted to do it fast and get it over with. So I took pictures of the product on my own, and then I added them on the website. So I didn't actually use the AliExpress pictures. I only used one of them. But the website was super duper simple, right? So I always say like actually, bro, don't overthink the whole website, because just do it, and then the videos should be doing all the selling. Now, the other thing I tried to do as well is I tried to post literally every single day. Like, I tried to not miss a day. And I also noticed when I was posting at 9 a.m., the videos were doing better than if I posted at night. I don't know why. And I'm thinking it's because like when you're posting at 9 a.m. in the morning, you're allowing the videos to get more time to actually perform. So I think that's the reason. I don't know why. But anyway, when I saw one video format working, which was like this video here that got the 5 million views, I'm like, let me keep doing this over and over again. And then I think because of that, most of the videos I made like were actually doing not that bad. But here are some of the mistakes that I made. So I previously talked about how you have to be making sales videos and viral videos. Now the issue is I didn't know this at the time when I was doing the store. So I did not make a single sales video. All the videos were just viral videos, which is why I feel like I didn't actually squeeze as much money that I could have squeezed from this product. Because like you're looking at this viral video here, and it's like it's not really doing any selling. If anything, like it's selling my brother more than the product. And you can see the proof in this. Like if you go in the comments, you can see everyone is like, bro, your brother looks like Jesus, and you're promoting Jesus getting crucified on your product. And the whole time I'm like, wait, I didn't mean to make my brother look like Jesus, and I didn't mean to make the product look like a cross. It just so happens to be that way. So that whole thing just made the whole video go viral, and then also including like the Andrew Tate clip at the end, it made the whole video go even more viral, which is so funny because because like that wasn't even my intention. So anyway, that made the whole thing go viral. But as for the sales, this is how much I made in revenue. So the profit on this was like literally 50% because I priced the product at $40 and I was getting it at $20. So I was basically making $20 profit. So in reality, I made $200 profit with this whole product. But considering I got the product for I think $40 on Amazon, so technically I made $160 profit on this whole thing, which is not that bad because like now I can pay for my monthly gym subscription at Lifetime Fitness. Oh, also one more thing, if you're actually gonna start making money, like I truly recommend going to an expensive gym, because some people are gonna be like, well, cheap gym, expensive gym, you're getting the same results. But when you go to an expensive gym, like this is just from my personal experience, you're gonna meet a lot higher quality people, and you won't find those people at a cheap gym. So you're just surrounded with people who actually have money. As a result, you'll make more money. So this is from personal experience only though. And by the way, the whole time frame on this store was only a week, so I technically just made $150 a week, but only from this store. But honestly, bro, I think I can make this store a lot better if I actually post more consistently, like every single day even more, and also make the sales videos. Hey everybody, so if you're watching this video still even up to this point, then I've got a little treat for you. So I know most of you guys like literally only watch half of my videos and then click off, but for those of you that are still watching, then obviously you're a real one, which is why I wanted to share one of the winning products that are working for me right now. So they're generating me like these kinds of results like literally right now. And the reason why I wanted to share this is because in 2019, when I first had my first success in dropshipping, so basically I was selling wireless earphones that look like AirPods, and the product, I found it without using any product research tool. So I know most of the YouTubers, like they preach about so many of these product research tools, but the only thing that they do is they just keep you in this dropshipping rat race. Like they're telling you to escape a rat race from like a job or something, and they're putting you in like a dropshipping rat race, which is so annoying. So even when those companies like they reach out to me for like a sponsorship, I never take it. However much the money is, like I just never take it because I know this software doesn't even work. So the wireless AirPods, when I first made my $10,000 with it, I found it on Instagram. So remember how like back in the day we used to do like Instagram shoutouts, like you have like those meme pages and then you pay them to put like a post as a shout out for you. So this is how I first got started. That was basically like the TikTok organic back in the day, and I sold wireless earphones that look just like AirPods, and I made my first $10,000. Now the reason why I'm going to share this product right here with you, because one, it's one of the products that are making me money currently, and two, I notice whenever you sell something that is like a dupe, it usually does well. So wireless earphones, the only reason why they're selling is because yeah, they're wireless and they're cool, but they look like AirPods, so people want AirPods. Now these Uggs boots, however you pronounce them, I don't even know how you pronounce them. Right now they're selling very well because they look like the actual Uggs or the Uggs boots, so you're selling a very similar version. Now some of you are going to be like, well, are you not going to get in trouble if you sell these? Well, to be honest, like I have no idea, but I know a lot of people who are selling the wireless earphones and they were doing pretty well with it, and I know a lot of people are selling these Uggs right now, and even me, I'm selling them right now, and like we're doing pretty fine with it. The only thing is that you don't say that these are actually Uggs or Uggs, and you don't say that the earphones are AirPods. You just don't say that this is connected to the brand. This is just something that happens to look similar to it. And by the way, like because like January is coming, the February is coming, so these are the winter months. So the winter months, the products that do the best are gym products, winter products, and I believe that's mostly it, like literally just gym products and winter products. Like they do the best. So because the new year is coming and January is coming, a lot of people are buying these Uggs. So if one of you guys take it and actually try to sell it using TikTok organic and make a whole store for it, then you're gonna do very good. And you already know, like I'm telling you, like people already want this product, so you should do very good. So I did recently make a video about another store that I was running, about how I made $3,000 in 12 hours using the actual tactic where I post viral videos and sales videos. So if you're trying to watch that video, and then click right here, and that's gonna show you exactly what I did for the other store, because for this product right now, like I moved on from it, but if I were to go back, I would include sales videos. I would post literally every single day, and I would also post on YouTube Shorts. But like the other product right now is making me more money, so I'm like, why not?